I'm recording now, Josh. I'm trying to. Say something. Josh?
Okay, yes.
Say something. So.
I know. It was a long day for me too, okay? I understand. And I know you're mad. You didn't even know what that was. I know. But don't you feel better? And it makes no funny for Daddy. Yes, I did tell people. Well, I didn't really. No, you won't tell people that. Well, now are you going to cry? Every time we try to have a conversation that you don't like, it's always the waterworks. Don't you hate? Did he up on me?
No.
Oh.
Now he's throwing the phone around.
I've been around Mommy a lot because now you're giving me the silent treatment. That's right.
Uh-oh. You still there? Oh, no. You there?